Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your logging error in Snapchat. So firstly, open up your Snapchat. So there are a few things that you can do to fix this issue. The first thing that you can do is check that do you have an internet connection or not. So for doing that, simply go and search on Chrome for speed test and check do you have necessary speed required for running the Snapchat or not. So if you have the connection speed, what you can do is just simply go back and relaunch the application and try again. And again, if you are unable to log into your account, the next step that you can do is just simply clear the cache data. For doing that, just simply go to your app, hold it for a few seconds and click on app info. Then simply click on clear cache or cache data. Then click on clear all data and then go back to your Snapchat, relaunch the application and try to log into your account again. And even then, if you're unable to log into your account, is your phone connected to a VPN or not? To check that, just simply go to your settings and just click on VPN and then make sure that it is turned off. So after all of that, if you're still facing the issue, what you can do is just simply go to Google and search for Snapchat logging error and then click on the first link which says Snapchat login issue. And now here you will find all the major issue that you might have that is stopping you from logging into your Snapchat account. Like for example, incorrect username or password, improper internet connection speed, unauthorized app, meaning there are some apps that Snapchat doesn't allow you to have on your device. So if you have unauthorized app on your device, just try to uninstall them and start your Snapchat again and see if you are able to log in or not. So moving on, the next one is avoid using VPN, and next is you have a rooted device. So if your device is rooted, you might still face the issue of logging error. So the next thing is your account might be deleted. So you can just simply pause the video and read the article, or you can just simply go to the page and read it yourself. Or the last issue that may be is that your account is locked. Again, you can just simply pause the video and read the article or go to the page and read it for yourself. And you will also find here few links that will help you to reactivate your deleted account or to unlock your logged account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.